how to build more collagen naturally. Collagen is a very important protein that makes up 25 to 35% of the human body. It is used to keep the skin looking youthful and healthy. Collagen is also a building block used for building teeth, tendons, hair, arteries, eyes, cartilage, skin, lymph, and cellular meshes in your internal organs. Unfortunately, as we get older, we tend to lose collagen because of oxidation, junk foods, and eating sugar, which damages collagen. Nutrient deficiencies and poor digestion may also reduce collagen in your body. In today's video, we will share with you 13 natural ways to boost collagen production and its health benefits. Following these methods will help to slow down the aging process and protect the body from wrinkles, weak joints, hair loss, organ damage, and sagging skin. Remedy 1. Consume bone broth. Drink a cup of bone broth on a daily basis. This is nature's best collagen-boosting food and is made from boiled animal bones. Our ancestors would always consume bone broth, and it played a role in human evolution. Drinking this helps your body to build collagen to form skin cells, healthy tissues, etc. Remedy 2. Collagen Peptides. If you wish to take a stronger supplement, we recommend collagen peptides. This powder is a very bioavailable source of collagen which is easily absorbed into the human body. This is often found in anti-aging supplements and is very powerful for reducing the effects of aging. Remedy 3. Eat shellfish. We highly recommend eating shellfish, including oysters, mussels, clams, and shrimp. These are loaded with minerals, especially zinc and copper. These minerals activate proteins and molecules that are required for synthesizing collagen in the body. Zinc in particular activates collagenase. Remedy 4. Eat beef. We recommend eating grass-fed beef at least twice per week. This is made up of essential amino acids that the body can't make on its own. It also provides non-essential amino acids which are used to make up collagen. Beef also contains copper, which helps the body to make collagen. Remedy 5. Intermittent fasting. Eat all of your calories during a 4-hour window during the day and allow your body to fast for the remaining 20 hours. This triggers a process called autophagy, where your body recycles and cleans out old dead proteins. This boosts collagen production and can reverse aging of the internal organs. Remedy 6. Pasture-raised eggs. Start eating 2 to 3 pasture-raised eggs on a daily basis. Eggs contain proline and glycine, 2 of the amino acids which make up collagen. The yellow yolks are also rich in vitamin D and healthy fats that supports youthful skin, bones, brain cells, and muscles. Remedy 7. Food-based vitamin C. Take a vitamin C supplement which is made from powdered rose hips or acerola cherry. Avoid ascorbic acid supplements as these are man-made and do not have the same effect. Real vitamin C from food concentrates improves collagen synthesis in the body and can improve your skin, hair, nails, immune system, artery health, and much more. Remedy 8. Grass-fed butter. The skin and the connective tissues in your body are made of protein and fats. For this reason, saturated fats and proteins are used to make collagen in the body. Butter from grass-fed cows provides the raw materials to build collagen. It is also rich in vitamin A, which activates collagen production at the genetic level. Remedy 9. Apple cider vinegar. Those who suffer with indigestion, acid reflux, heartburn, or gas often have low stomach acid. If your stomach acid is low, you cannot digest collagen properly. Drinking a glass of water with 1 tablespoon of raw apple cider vinegar before meals strengthens the stomach and allows you to absorb more nutrients. Remedy 10. Silica-rich foods. Silica is a mineral which helps your body to produce collagen and can strengthen your bones, skin and connective tissues. We recommend red cherries, strawberries, tomatoes, pumpkin seeds, cucumber and diatomaceous earth. Remedy 11. Gelatin. One of the cheapest ways to boost collagen levels in your body is by eating gelatin. This comes in powdered form or as gelatin leaves and can be made into delicious jellies. This is extracted from animal bones just like bone broth. You can add flavouring and hot water to make a collagen-packed dessert with very few calories. Remedy 12. Berries. Raspberries, blackberries and blueberries are rich in anthocyanins, vitamin C and antioxidants which help to rapidly boost collagen in the body. Add a small handful of these to your lunch each day to strengthen your immune system and boost energy levels. Remedy 13. Vitamin E. Get more vitamin E in your diet from eating almonds, avocados, sunflower seeds and eco-friendly red palm oil. This key nutrient has been shown to reduce scar tissue in the body and the skin by helping to form collagen and arrange it properly. Benefits of boosting collagen. Following the remedies shared today, you can begin to improve your body's ability to build collagen and strengthen itself against the effects of aging. Boosting collagen synthesis makes your bones stronger, strengthens your joints and protects against arthritis, and reduces joint pain, swelling and inflammation. Collagen is also the main protein in your skin. It acts as a type of scaffolding, holding it together and keeping its shape. Boosting collagen therefore protects against sagging and wrinkles, especially in the face and areas with lots of muscle movement. It's even excellent for reducing the risk of heart disease because collagen provides the structure of your arteries and blood vessels, which carry blood around the body. Without enough collagen, these arteries can become weak and fragile, leading to poor blood flow to the heart. Collagen is also needed to support your lungs and respiratory system. Type 4 collagen specifically is used to build healthy lung tissue for normal breathing and respiration. It protects the meshes around your internal organs such as the liver and the pancreas, and strengthens nails and boosts keratin for stronger hair strands. How to absorb more collagen proteins. If you suffer with any digestive problems such as acid reflux, bloating, gas or heartburn, then you likely have low stomach acid. We tend to lose these stomach acids as we get older, which prevents us from breaking down proteins properly, which are needed to build collagen. Simply take 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar mixed in a glass of water before each meal. This helps you to absorb the building blocks of collagen from your food. Also, if you have had your gallbladder removed, we recommend taking a digestive enzyme supplement daily so that your stomach is able to digest fat and meat properly. Summary. By strengthening your stomach, consuming lots of vitamin C rich foods and the right proteins, you can help your body to build strong collagen in order to protect yourself from the damaging effects of aging. Following the remedies shared in today's video will make a dramatic improvement to your overall health regardless of your age. If you wish to understand more about the human body, nutrition and our biological relationship with food, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.